Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan marshmallow fluff. First, gather your ingredients and ensure your mixing bowl is completely clean and dry. This easy method uses aquafaba, which is the liquid from canned chickpeas, as its base. You'll be amazed at how this simple ingredient transforms into a light and airy treat, perfect for various desserts. To begin, you will need the liquid from one standard can of chickpeas, which is about 1/2 cup of aquafaba. Also, measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachments are spotless and free of any grease, as this is crucial for proper whipping. Pour the aquafaba and cream of tartar into your clean mixing bowl. Whip on high speed until it becomes very foamy and light, similar to egg whites. Then, slowly add the 1 cup of sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Keep whipping until the mixture forms stiff, glossy peaks, which typically takes 10 to 15 minutes. Once your marshmallow fluff has reached stiff peaks, gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic flavor. You can also experiment with other extracts if you like. Transfer the finished fluff to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, ready to top your favorite treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.